always eating food, garlic bread and tomato soup. How about a plate of steak stew? I'll try a baked fruit, maybe I'll add mayonnaise too. Everything is better with cool. I'm so into food, sometimes I forget to even chew. I just want some fish leg goo, have a bite of cake too. Chimichangas are great, dude. Everything is good with lemon juice. I wake up and have snacks, checks and 5 or 6 Kit Kats. Then I want a giant rib wrap, even better in a wrap. While I wait for that to heat, I'll order some Chinese. I'll have a kung pao chicken barbecue, and at a oven chicken cordon bleu. Also grab some rice and vindaloo. What exactly is obatu? Let's get salad cups so this lunch isn't fattening. With bacon and parm and go light on the dressing. I am always eating food, pepper steak with some tofu. Add a little kong namu and a little namu. Spread on some Alfredo sauce too. I just want the whole menu. I'm so into food, dip some chocolate in fondue. Fry a noodle in chop suey and some Swedish geku. Burger with Munster and good. Let's have a random combo. Every time that I drive to the Trader